a former Clackamas County detective convicted of a 2011 Wilsonville home robbery and money laundering, was sentenced to 6 years and 10 months in prison. A jury in August found Floyd William Marsh, Jr. guilty of taking part in the October 1, 2011 home robbery where a woman was shot with a stun gun, tied up and trapped in a coat closet during a heist that targeted a safe with valuable coins. He was convicted of second-degree robbery, first-degree burglary, first-degree aggravated theft and money laundering. According to prosecutor Russell S. Amos, Marsh was convicted of burglarizing, robbing and stealing from Arnold Kushlik out of jealousy, anger and greed. He repeatedly used a stun gun against Kushlik's wife, Zdenka Trinkova, who hasn't felt safe in her home since, wrote Amos, a Clackamas County senior deputy district attorney, in his sentencing memo. Prosecutors had requested a longer sentence of 15 years in prison, while his defense lawyer sought less time. The robbery went unsolved until 2014 when a longtime friend of Marsh's, Gerald Wees, was arrested in an unrelated drug possession case. Wees, who had met Marsh in a karate training class while Marsh was still employed by the Clackamas County Sheriff's Office, told authorities that he and Marsh broke into the home of Arnold Kushlik on October 1, 2011, then subdued the men's girlfriend, Zdenka Trinkova. The intruders made off with a safe that contained an estimated $40,000 worth of silver American Eagle coins, plus other valuables, including coins from the couple's native Czech Republic. Kushlik was away visiting his home country at the time. Marsh, 60, retired in June 2007 after 25 years with the Clackamas County Sheriff's Office. At the time, he was a detective in the agency's property crimes unit. At trial, Amos said Marsh targeted Kushlik's home because the two men had a long-standing feud that started when Marsh worked for the sheriff's office and investigated Kushlik at least twice. Neither investigation led to charges. The robbery wasn't Marsh's first criminal scheme, according to Amos. In 2009 and 2010, according to prosecutors, he began growing marijuana when his construction company began to collapse. With Wise, he delivered the marijuana to California and Illinois. In 2014, he was prosecuted in Chicago for drug trafficking, but the charges were dismissed after evidence was suppressed based on the law enforcement stop, according to court records. Marsh was returned to Oregon to face trial for the robbery. Wise agreed to testify against Marsh at trial. Marsh was never convicted of drug trafficking, Amos said. Maxine Bernstein. mbernstein@oregonian.com 503-221-8212 @maxoregonian